Is your external component, the report library DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Crystal Reports links. Before we begin the manual steps for Report Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Report Library, a core module of the SAP Crystal Reports engine, responsible for generating and rendering data-driven reports within Windows applications. It handles the database to visual layout transformation. If missing, accounting or enterprise management software will fail to generate invoices or summary reports, citing an Rpt initialization error. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Rpt is bundled directly with Crystal Reports rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Crystal Reports is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the report library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Report Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Report Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Report Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.